Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Venktap Crafts. In this video, I'm gonna show you how I labeled my Crayola Supertips. Since these markers do not come with any sort of labeling on them, sometimes it becomes pretty difficult to find a certain shade. For example, if I'm using a particular shade of green in any of my sketches or hand lettering and somehow I wanted to use that same shade again, then it becomes nearly impossible for me to find that particular color. Hence, labeling was anyways a mandatory thing to do. Okay, so let's quickly start up with the video and I'll talk to you about everything how I found this way in between. Okay, so to start up with, I made this sheet, or you can call it a layout, wherein I made 100 blocks for 100 color swatches. I made 25 boxes in one row. Also, I made these small cutouts of normal printing paper. And I need a cello tape. Okay, so to start up with, I'm first sorting the markers into different colors. Starting up with the green. I've taken out all the green markers out of my pack and then I'll be sorting them according to the color from lightest to darkest. Telling you all about how I found this way. So I explored a lot on the internet and some ways turned out to be very difficult for me. So I just took some time and found out this way. This is very easy and even you can use it to sort any of your markers or Crayola Supertips as well. I found this way to be the easiest. Now I'll be swatching each color one by one on the layout that I made as well as on the chit. Then I'll be color coding them according to the order on which I swatched them on the layout sheet. Now using some cello tape, I'll wrap the chit around the marker. This way I have a swatch of the marker on the chit and the corresponding number on the layout sheet as well. It will help me in a way, like for example, if I had to pick a particular color from the whole stack, I won't have to swatch all the colors again and again. I'll simply look out for this layout and I'll find that certain color. I'll match the number to the marker and will pick out the same color. This way it will become very easy. Also, by the way, I'm planning to do a detailed review of these markers since the first one I did was not so detailed one and also I didn't explain you everything about these. Also, I have now been using them for more than 6 months. I also wanted to discuss to you about their performance and stuff. So yeah, I'm planning to do one. Do let me know in the comments if you want to see a detailed review of these. I would love to do that for you guys. So yeah. Now I'll be repeating the same process with all 100 colors. Watch me doing that and I hope you will enjoy this video. finally. All of my markers are now done and I'm pretty satisfied with how they look. Also, sometimes the color of the marker is slightly different from that of the cap, like the cap of the marker, so it was somewhere difficult to find a color. And now I have the swatch of the marker as well as the number of the marker at the same place. This was very helpful. Trust me guys, I did this few months ago and I just forgot to share this video with all of you guys, so I'm doing it now. But I've been using this layout for more than say 4 months now and I'm really enjoying it. This has helped me a lot. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this with your friends and relatives, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Till then, bye bye, take care.